maybe you just want to test something really quickly, you can also use Vibes DIY. It's the entire stack. So we do the back end, and you get to kind of stay in that front end mode of actually working on the application and not having to set everything up behind the scenes. It's serverless, secure, and we will instantly deploy it for you. I'll just show you really quickly. Essentially, you can describe any app that you want here. There's some kind of presets here. Once you kick that off, we'll take you to the editor. Here's one that I was doing at a previous hackathon. I built this little timeline viewer where I entered all the dates and data, and it did a really nice, attractive walkthrough of this whole timeline. So you can kind of see the back and forth and all the edits here. We're going to show you all of the code. You can actually change it here as well. You can also go into the settings. This is really interesting, and you can change the model. So we have all the different models that you might want to use. So you're not limited to just Claude if you want to use Vibes DIY. The most magic part is you can just deploy by clicking this share button, and we're going to give you this ability to kind of instantly publish this to the entire world. So you just copy that link, paste it in, and now you have the entire deployed app right here. And if you hit this little thing down here, you can actually remix these apps. So if you wanted to take this in a different direction or apply it to something else, maybe there's an argument within your team, you just hit this remix button. We'll take you back to the editor with kind of a current copy of that app, and you can take it in a different direction. You can go nuts with that. You can also run multiple at a time if you want. Open up a new tab and run another one. All of them are going to exist over here in your kind of recent vibes. So you can see here that I've done a lot of different versions of the same app as I work on it. So yeah, that's it. Have fun, and can't wait to see what everybody makes.